Hello everyone. Today I am going to give a demo of a deep learning approach to detect lumpy skin disease in cows. So in this initially we have collected the diseases, cow diseases of lumpy and normal, and training is done through the CNN. And also feature we can extract the features from KNN, SVM, NAIVS, uh, artificial neural network. And once the training is completed, the prediction part is done through the GUI. Now we can see the data set. So this is the data set. It's now visible. And you can see the normal one. And this is the normal one. Now we can go for the training code. You type ideally. Click on open. Click on file open. Select the training code. Click on open. Click on run model. The training process is started. You will get the picture extraction. We will get the feature extraction logic regression, neighbors, KNN, and also SVR. Once the training process is completed, you can go for the GUI, click on File, Open, on GUI, click on Run Model. This is the GUI part of for detecting lumpy skin disease in cows. Click on Load Model image. Select any one of the images on this. On the processor. On feature extraction. You will get the image and last click on predict. You get the predicted images lumpy. You can select for check for the normal one. Conflict. You can see the normal based on the selected image. You can check for another one. Font feature. Account predict.